Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to turn on aeroplane mode in Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on guys aeroplane mode in your Oppo phone, so how to on and use guys aeroplane mode, and after on aeroplane mode guys how to connect Wi-Fi and how to use internet. Today friends, I am going to show you guys one by one and step by step. So friends, now let's see how to turn on aeroplane mode and how to use it in Oppo phone device. Friends, first of all guys, we will on guys Oppo phone setting. After on Oppo phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, you don't know guys where is guys aeroplane mode setting in Oppo phone device. So friends, you can direct search here. So guys, I will search here guys aeroplane mode setting. So friends, you can see aeroplane mode guys. We can direct on from phone the search bar. So friends, you can see aeroplane mode is off. So guys, we will on it. After on friends, you can see after 3 and 4 seconds guys, you can see aeroplane mode will on and aeroplane mode icon will show on your screen. So friends, come back and friends, you can see after aeroplane mode guys, your mobile network will off and friends, you cannot call to your friends and relative. Means guys, you cannot use guys your phone call also guys. You cannot use guys your phone call setting guys. So friends, click on guys your phone setting, and guys we will click on Wi-Fi settings. So guys, first of all on your Wi-Fi. After on guys, you want to connect any Wi-Fi network in aeroplane mode, so guys you can connect easily. Friends, you can see I will show you. So friends, you can see I will connect guys my Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi, and this is my Wi-Fi password. I will connect. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network we can connect in aeroplane mode, and guys we can use it. So guys will take time guys, cancel it. Again guys, I will enter password. As you can see, Wi-Fi network has connected, and once now guys we can use this Wi-Fi network while operating any app in aeroplane mode setting. Guys, you can use your Wi-Fi network guys. So like that guys, we can on guys airplane mode, and guys we can connect Wi-Fi, and guys we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.